So now we're going to do a product. Let's do earring as a product. And so we see that even men's earring as a topic, girl with pearl earring, we see all the topics here. So, but we're searching for the earring topic, so we'll do that. And let's go back to, let's see, the United States. So let's say you offer a jewelry business and you sell earrings. Again, in jewelry, when you do jewelry, you might be offering earrings and bangles and bracelets and different stuff. But now you want to see exactly what to market in your earring section and how to market it. This is a good place to go and see what people are actually looking for. And so now for the past 30 days, if you are selling earrings, it'll be good to, one, maybe think about marketing in New York, Delaware, Vermont, Louisiana, Alabama, if you could ship them around the country. That's what this tells you. That means if you want to do a Facebook Live that you're going to sell your earrings, it'll be good to target cities like New York, Delaware, Vermont, Louisiana, Alabama. Hope this is making sense now. And when we look at it, these are the related topics: Dave piercing, Tragus piercing, jewelry store, diamond cut. And the related queries are 1-carat diamond earrings, climber earrings, diamond huggy earrings, as you can see. And these let us know what people are searching for. Bead topic, earlobe, amethyst, the gemstone. So if you have all these things, you can start to market them. Cartilage topic, you know. Right here, earring organizer. Wow, you see that? And this is not even an earring. This is an earring organizer, as you can see. So if you build stuff, 3D printing, wood, as you can see, even not being in the jewelry business, the earring organizer seems to be something good to make. And that lets you know that. And you could also, again, break it down per region. So when we go into New York, again, to figure out exactly what they want there, we see all the hot spots here. The darker the color, excuse me, the more you get to see. So here, Cartier, jewelry store, Screw, David Human Jewelry Company. And these are also things that you could use as targeting key words when you're doing your ads, knowing that people are looking for diamond stud earrings at 140% increased search recently, knowing that they're looking for this jeweler. And if you're offering this, you can easily market that, you know. When we click that, we see the interest over time based on that topic too. And we see how they really want that designer in New York. And mostly it's the necklace. Again, gives us an idea. There's a ring, but the breakout is the necklace, the brand, which means it's pretty much hot right now. That lets you know if you're doing drop shipping and stuff, and they ask what products you want, and you can offer that instead of going to pick something else that people are not really searching for. Now you pick this, it becomes a perfect marriage. And now marketing research becomes very easy for you right from where you are. So that's pretty cool. And as you can see, again, all these things, you can download them, embed them, and you can share them. And these are going through web searches. Again, we have the opportunity to look at different, you could do image search, news search, Google shopping, or YouTube search. You look at all those. And because that's a little specific, let's go over here. Now we're in the earring. Now let's go to YouTube search for earrings. See, gives us what people are searching for. News search for earrings, not much. Image search for earrings lets you know. See, so that's pretty cool.